हेलो एवरीवन। सो फाइनली आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक होम टूर व्लॉग। शी इज़ एन इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर एंड आर्टिस्ट। वैसे तो मैं इनको काफ़ी टाइम से फॉलो कर रही हूँ एंड आई रियली एडमायर हर वर्क एंड आई एम वेरी चार्म्ड बाय हर पर्सनैलिटी। तो इंस्टाग्राम की रील्स देखते हुए एक दिन मैंने आई थॉट ऑफ मैसेजिंग हर। इनको मैंने मैसेज किया, उनके मैनेजर ने आगे ऑफ कोर्स उनको बोला था बिकॉज आई वाज रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन शूटिंग हर हाउस for YouTube vlog. And very graciously, she agreed, and I got the message from the manager there that yes, she's okay and we can go ahead. And I was so happy, and I'm truly thankful to her. जैसे ही मैं इनके घर में मैंने एंटर किया, I was completely smitten by the way she has decorated her home. Very tastefully done up, and every her style, her idea is very inspiring and enriching. आप इनके इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल को देख सकते हैं। इन्होंने हाल ही में अपना यूट्यूब चैनल भी शुरू किया है। बहुत पॉपुलर है एंड आई एम श्योर आप इनको जानते हैं एंड इनके आप रील्स और व्लॉग्स भी देखते होंगे क्योंकि इनके व्यूज भी काफ़ी हैं। एंड तो एक इन्होंने वर्ड यूज़ किया व्हेन आई मेट हर व्हिच इज़ पार्लियामेंट्री वॉल। सो पार्लियामेंट वॉल मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया, तो व्लॉग बनाते बनाते तो देन ऑफ कोर्स शी टुक मी टू दैट कॉर्नर एंड तो चलिए इनके घर के अंदर चल के देखते हैं। आप भी देखें कि इनके पार्लियामेंट्री वॉल है क्या और ये है कौन, ये मैं बताऊंगी आपको इस ब्लॉग के एंड में।
Hi Nitu, welcome to my home. Come, come. So, Neetu, one thing that I get to hear a lot is that my house doesn't look like a Fauji house. That's courtesy Vaheguru. He's blessed me with some talent which I use whenever and wherever I wish to. But then, the most important thing is that I do not damage MES property to an extent where it is, requires too much repair. So I generally do walls and, I use my creativity there. And this is something I had been really, really wanting to do. Something a little rustic. If you just come close to this this part of the wall, you'll be able to see that this is also texture. It was done keeping something in mind. What I can't explain, but I was liking it so much. And I wanted it to have, patterns which are not complete, a little finished, a little unfinished, a little rustic, that kind of but ethnic. So that's how I've done it. This particular wall, Nitu, I picked up these plates from one of our travels to Uzbekistan and Turkey, and this mirror I had picked up originally, and I had paired this mirror with that sideboard. So if you see one of my older pictures, I'll share it with you. This mirror was with that console, with that sideboard in two of my houses, and then I shifted places, and this, which used to be a centerpiece in the drawing room, now has come to a side because the drawing room isn't very big, and yeah, like a lot of stuff. But then I don't, I have pets at home, right? So I can't afford to have things everywhere. But yeah, this much I think enough theek hai, enough ka banda karna. I just, this lamp, you will not believe it, I've had it for more than I think 23, 25 years, yeah. 25 means 22, 25, something around there. And how many postings and package, truck transports and traveling this lamp has done, I can't even tell you, and touch wood, it's still standing good. This Neetu is a very relatable wall for all the Fauji's. I personally am very fond of the bird, the owl. I don't know what significance it has mythologically or religiously, because I come from a religion that everything is good. Whatever God has created is good. So that's how I call this my parliament. I have wall plates with owls, and then this is my collection of owls. And in the army, again, most people who come to my house, they'll tell me, "All right, your husband did the staff course," because because the owl is a very intelligent bird, and it brings in a lot of luck. And Lakshmi ji ki to savari hai hi. So if you want intelligence, you want to be wise, you want money, then you welcome the owl. So don't be suspicious. It is a beautiful bird. Anything God creates is beautiful and has to be lucky. So, like I said, the sideboard was used with something else, Bella, and now it is being used with this mirror. I get a lot of queries about the wall plates. So I'd again like to tell you all that these plates have been painted by me, and in case anybody is interested in them, you can go to the website and check, and you can buy from there in case you want to. We will be sharing the link in the description below. The sideboard, like I said, was a part of that set with that mirror. But then, like all Fauji's, we, according to the space that is available to us, we just mix and match different things and create something else out of it. So it was once, used to just keep socks and vests and stuff like that in my children's room. Thereafter, it became a bar in one of my houses. I have a picture and I'll show you. And now it's a sideboard in the dining room, so it has all napkins and my dining sheet and stuff like that. This is an onyx top round dining table, which I picked up recently because this area is very small and the regular one wasn't fitting in well. So I just decided to go in for a small 4-seater dining table. It has an onyx top and pretty easy to maintain. This again is a DIY wall which I've done, and I'm so proud of it and I so love it. And if you see, my glasses are also matching. I mean, that happened accidentally, I did not do it, but that's how my energy just draws me to certain color combinations, and then I realized that, oh wonderful, it's all going together. This is a set of birds that I had made during one of my pottery workshops. So this is supposedly my husband, like my daughter says this is Papa and this is Mama, and or maybe Mama is this, and then this is my daughter and this is my son. Yeah. This cabinet again was used in different houses for different purposes. The previous house I used to, it was a storage for towels, extra towels, and now it is a part of the bar. And same goes with this as well. This wall had a lot of undulation, and I did it up with this stick-on wallpaper, which I picked up from Amazon. Since I've done it up, I have got so many compliments and so many queries as to where did I pick it up from, how do you apply it. It's very, very easy. You just have to go and look for foam sticking wallpapers. है ना कोको है ना मामा ने किया ये है ना हाँ मेरा बेबी Coco is irritated. He says, what does she keep doing the entire time? Chalo. And this lamp base I had picked up from Banjara Market, and I painted it. Again, these tissue boxes are manufactured in the factory and painted by me, and are available, like I said, on my website. This is the guest room. I've done it up in lighter colors this time. This is the fourth look I have given this room in the past, I think 7 months. I've been in this house for 7 months, and this is that one room which has been given the most makeovers. And the highlight of this room is this wall art, which I have made, and I've done some falling work. I'm a self-taught artist, so जैसे भी कर रहे हैं, वधिया नहीं कर रहे, सब कुछ अपना ही है. जे वधिया नहीं लग गया, फिर आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. जो वधिया लग गया तो रख लो. So, but I like it. तो मैंने बहुत पसंद है.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Gill, for opening your lovely home to our viewers.
An absolute pleasure,
And
Neetu.
it was such an enriching and very inspiring experience, I must say that.
A pleasure, a pleasure.
So, before we go further, I have little questions to ask.
Absolutely.
Because
Shoot.
Since your house is so beautifully yet tastefully done up, so I would like to know your more views and your ideas a little bit. And of course, they are going to be helpful for the viewers as well.
Sure.
So, what do you prefer, cushions or candles? What's your guilty pleasure?
Cushions.
If beige had a nickname, what would it be?
Safe.
Which celebrity house would you love to redesign? No budget limit.
I haven't really been to any celebrity house, but yeah, probably Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah.
amazing. So you want to give competition to Gauri
To
Khan?
Gauri Khan. No, maybe I get to learn something from her.
Oh, that's amazing. All right. Yeah, she herself is a very good interior designer.
Yeah.
One decor item you would never allow in your home.
Never allow in my home. There are quite a few actually. But to name one, since you've just asked for one, the Oriental fan, that big Oriental fan.
Okay.
Yeah, the bamboo thing, the Oriental fan which you get in the Northeast, and I mean, I wouldn't want that.
Okay. That's absolutely
unless it's a home which is completely with the Oriental theme.
Okay. Fast fix, plant in the corner or art in the wall?
Plant.
Always a plant.
Absolutely.
One decor trend you wish would disappear.
The retro minimalist. Minimalist, I quite like, but the retro minimalist is, I hope it doesn't come back ever.
Okay. Biggest design mistake people make.
Of putting stuff on every wall available.
Dream project location, beach villa or mountain cabin?
Mountain, I've already done. So probably a beach villa. Yeah.
Most overrated home decor item.
A chandelier.
If you weren't an interior designer, what would you be?
I already am that. I would have been an artist. I am that. I would have been something to do with creativity. I know that much. Yeah.
All right, so coming to the last question, luxury or comfort, what comes first for you?
A balance between the both. Between both. I'm a liberal, right? So there has to be a balance between luxury and comfort. Comfort should not be so much comfort कि मतलब गदर ही है. उतना भी comfort नहीं होना चाहिए था. And this is, there has to be a very very decent balance between the both.
All right.
So,
thank you so much, Mrs. Gill. Thank you so much.
Pleasure,
and your
pleasure.
answers were on point, and I'm sure something new for us to learn as well. So
Thank you. I'm
since
so
you
glad.
said that you like plants to decorate the corners, the fast, fix. So I got a little gift for you. I hope you will like it.
In fact, I don't have this particular one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Thank
this
you.
is a little. I hope it will make its place somewhere in your home.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much, Neeta. Thank you.
And thank you so much.
Thank you.
So thank you guys. This was the rapid fire round, and stay tuned because we still have a lot to see in this video. तो कैसा लगा आपको इनका घर, है ना? Isn't it very beautiful, very attractive और बहुत ही क्रिएटिविटी से भरा हुआ है। तो अभी तक तो आपने देख भी लिया है, इनका नाम भी जान गए होंगे। ये है मिसेस निधि गिल और इनका जो इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल और यूट्यूब हैंडल है दैट स्वीट मैग्नोलिया बाय निधि गिल। और जिस तरह मैं इनकी फ़ैन हूँ और अब आई एम श्योर आप भी इनके फ़ैन बन गए होंगे, तो अगर आपको कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट करवाना है, अपना घर का लुक चेंज करवाना है, सो यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू पोस्ट अ मैसेज टू हर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। So thank you so much for watching till now. Stay tuned until the next vlog of either travel or decor. Till then, stay happy. See you again.